going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to extend downspouts from the side of your house all the way to the front. The whole point is to get the water away from the house. Usually we would take it to the street, but it's got all these bushes here and everything. So down here is just fine because, as you can see, the grade of everything slopes from about halfway all the way down. So even if we wanted to put it over there, it would have been just fine, but nobody really likes anything in the middle of the yard that pops up and makes a big puddle somewhere else. So usually we would have done this before and shown you before I dug, but this was added in extra. So this is how it's going to go. We have downspouts over here, going to be tied into it. And as you can see from this side down, the whole point of all this is when he had all this, the water would just flow all the way up in here, stand in here, and then back here has nowhere to go, so it would just go here, build up, and go into his foundation. So now we're going to have it to this downspout. It's going to go this way, tie in, go all the way down. That one's going to tee into it, and it's going to go all the way to the end in front of the bushes to a pop-up. All right, and this is what it looks like in the end. I now have all this hooked up. As you can see, that's what these are for, clean outs. Easy, put a hose in, flush it out, put your hand in, grab anything if you ever think it is clogged. Now it goes all the way down. We have this one teed in. We have everything downhill to level. As you see right here, everything was slightly downhill to level over here. But as soon as you get past this point, everything is extremely all the way downhill to the pop-up. Next video you'll see on this is showing that it works. That's it. It'll pop up, come up above the grass, and water all these bushes. Now the downspout's all hooked up and ready to go. You put the hose in, fill it up, and then we're going to see it come out at the end. And this is how it works. This is how you fix a flooding yard with underground downspout extensions. And this is how you properly run your pop-up out to the street, just like that. It all comes out, facilitates, drains in, waters the bushes. This catches all of the water from the entire right side of his house, the front downspout, back downspout, both tied in, come all the way down at the end, just like that. Another job well done by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions LLC. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.